Okay, so in this lecture, we are going to discuss one more example of a stacked fault model. Okay, in previous lecture, we have already discussed one example, that is combinational circuit only. See, always remember stacked fault model, path sensitization, and random test. These testing methods are used for only combinational circuit. Okay, for sequential circuit where memory is involved and all that, there are some different methods that we are going to discuss later. Okay, so these methods are exclusively meant for the or meant to test the combinational logic design or combinational circuits. Okay, so we will discuss one more example so that you can have the clear idea how to detect the or how to choose the optimum test vectors, so that that test vectors can detect the entire faults, or that test vector will cover the entire fault related to that combinational circuit. Okay, so we will start with the same.
Again, today we will go for one more example, right, for the fault detection. Now, this is the circuit. Okay, two AND gates followed by OR gate and A, B, C, D. So, the basic steps right? What is the first step? You need to identify the inputs, right? W1, W2, W3. You need to identify the inputs to that circuit. You have three inputs, so how many test cases test cases you will have? 2 raised to 3. That means 8 test cases. Okay. So here I have written these are the 8 test cases. Okay. Then next is you have to name the intermediate wires, right, in between that circuit. So here A, B, C, D, E, G, and F. Okay, this is the step 2. I have named the intermediate wire. Okay, what is step 3? Now first, before starting with the fault finding, you have to write the expected output, right? First you have to assume that there is no fault in a circuit, and then, right, with these three vectors, right, with these three vectors you can find out the expected output. Okay, this is the step number 3. Okay, then what is the next step? Step number 4 is you have to go for the fault cases, right? You have to assume each and every uh, point or each and every wire that you have marked. For example, in this case, A, B, C, D, E, G, and F, right? So each and every wire you have to mark, and you have to assume each wire, first it will get stuck at 0, then the same wire it will get stuck at 1, right? For example, first A slash 0, that means A stuck at 0, then A slash 1, that means A stuck at 1. Similarly, B, C, D, E, G, right, this, and F, right? So these many fault cases you will have, and then you have to check each and every vector for individual fault case. And finally, the last step will be what? Once you have get the all cases, then you have to optimize, right, these cases, and you will get the 3 or 4 final test vectors, right? You have to optimize that. You have to remove the overlapping, or you have to remove the test cases which are duplicate one or which are overlapping with each other, right? So that's the manual process. Then you have to finally, by looking to this table, you have to finally decide which test vector you will consider to test this circuit. समजलंय का सगळ्यांना? Have you clear with this?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, expected output. First, we will calculate the expected output. Okay. Now just quickly tell me what are the expected output. Now assume that there is no fault And now tell me the output for first case 0 0 0. What is F expected output?
0.
0. Very right. Next case 0 0 1.
0.
0. Next 0 1 0.
0.
0. Next 0 1 1.
1.
Correct. Here is 1. Next 1 0 0.
0.
0. 1 0 1.
0.
Right. 1 1 0.
1.
1. Very right. And the last, all one, triple one, 1 1 1.
1.
1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the expected outputs. Okay? Okay. Now we have to start with first. Now assume this A, right? It's stuck at 0. Then check for the these vectors and now tell me which cases I should mark here. Okay, that means for this A stuck at 0, which vectors or which these test cases are able to detect this fault. That means A stuck at 0. For that only you have to mark it. Okay, carry on. Now check 0 0 0. A is stuck at 0. That means now A is stuck at 0. कसं मार्क करायचं हे मी तुम्हाला सांगितलंय. एक्सपेक्टेड आउटपुट हे जर का फॉल्ट इंट्रोड्यूस केल्यानंतरच्या आउटपुटशी मॅच होत असेल तर ते धरायचं नाही. जर का एक्सपेक्टेड आउटपुट हे फॉल्ट इंट्रोड्यूस केल्यानंतर जर का वेगळं येत असेल तरच ती केस किंवा तो व्हेक्टर त्या फॉल्टसाठी धरायचा. मग बघा आउटपुट सेम आलं तर धरायचं नाही, वेगळं आलं तर धरायचं. 0 0 0. Should we consider this case?
No.
No. Next 0 0 1.
No.
No. Very right. 0 1 0.
No.
No. 0 1 1.
No.
No. Very right. Next case 1 0 0.
No.
No. Very right. Next 1 0 1.
No.
Very right. Next 1 1 0.
Yes.
Yes. Very good. This case we have to consider. And the last triple one.
No.
No. Very right. Next A stuck at 1. A stuck at 1. For now assume first case 0 0 0.
No.
No. Very good. 0 0 1.
No.
What about others? का फक्त त्यांना सीआरनाच पेपर द्यायचा या सब्जेक्टचा असं काही आहे का? तुम्हाला बाकीचे बोला ना जरा. कळलं नसेल तर विचारा. But if you understood, then you have to answer the things. Next case 0 0 1.
Yes, sir.
Next case 0 1 0.
Yes.
Very good. 0 1 1.
No.
Very good.
No.
Next 1 0 1. I guess these by default have a test fault and the input is same. So these all four cases will not be considered, right? Next, very good. These all four cases will not come there. Next, now B, right? This wire only, okay, not this wire. Now B stuck at 0, okay, this wire. Now tell, B stuck at
No.
first case,
No, sir.
very good. Second case, 001,
No.
no, very good. Uh, Third case, 010.
No.
But here you have to careful this W2, that means B and C is short, okay. But the thing is this B, right here, I will mark here. If this wire gets stuck at 0, then you have to be little bit careful. Now assume this wire is stuck at 0, and then now answer the things. This is W, okay, fine, but this stuck at 0. This is BY, this. Now answer the things. For these two, no problem. It will not be considered. Third case, 010. That means in this case, this C will receive the 1. C will receive the 1 because C is not stuck at 0. If you apply 010, this W2 will pass the correct signal to C, but B, it will not pass the correct signal. It will get 0 only. In that case, 010. It also will not consider. Next case, 010. Come on, tell.
No.
No, very good. Third one, 100.
No.
Very good. 101.
No.
Very good. 110.
No. Yes, sir.
Yes, it has to get considered. Last, 111.
Yes, sir.
Very good. This also 111. Wait, 1. Okay, 0 1. No, this we will not consider 111 because 111. Okay, first is 1, but B is stuck at 0. 1 and 1, it is 0. But here 1 or 1, you will get 1, and final output you will get 1. But thing is B is stuck at 0. So last case will not come here. Only this case 110. Expected output is 1. So 110. So here you will get 0. Here you will get 1. And finally you will get the output 1 or 1, it is 0. So I guess this case also 101. Or last case we should consider. Yeah, this is correct. This is actually this WT is common output between these two. So you will get this case only. Next, B stuck at 1. Now here instead of 0, you have to assume 1. Now tell me the things. B stuck at 1.
No, sir.
First case?
No.
No. Very good. Second case 0, 0, 1.
No.
Third case 0, 1, 0.
No.
Very good. Third 0, 1, 1.
No.
Very good. 1, 0, 0.
Yes.
Very good. This case
Yes,
you have
sir.
to consider. 1, 0, 0, you are getting different output. Right. Next case 1, 0, 1.
Yes.
1, 0, 1. So you will get 1, 0, 1. Yes, very good. You will get here in this case 1 output, but expected is 0. This case also we have to consider. 1, 0, 1. Okay. 1, 1, 0.
No.
Very good. And last triple 1.
No.
No. Very good. These two cases will come. Now, here comes the C. Okay. Now, B is good one. Now, problem is with C. Now, the problem is with C. Now C is stuck at 0. C is stuck at 0. Now, B is good one. Now, no problem is with B. Now, tell the cases. Now, C stuck at 0. That means this pin is stuck at 0. First case 0, 0, 0.
No.
Very good. Next 0, 0, 1.
No, sir.
Third 0, 1, 0.
No, sir.
Very good. 0, 1, 1.
Yes, sir.
Very good. This case we have to consider. 0, 1, 1 will come for this. Next 1, 0, 0.
No.
Very good. 1, 0, 1.
No, sir.
Very good. Next 1, 1, 0.
No.
Very good. And last triple 1.
No, sir. No.
Very good. Now consider C stuck at 1. Now 0, 0, 0.
No, sir. No.
Very good. 0, 0, 1.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
This case we have to consider. 0, 0, 1 we have to consider. बघा ना 0, 0, 1 बरोबर आहे. पहिले 0, 0 च 0 जाणार, इथे 1 स्टक आहे 1 आणि इथे 1 च 1 जाणार, त्यामुळे 0 ऑर विथ 1 1 येणार. एक्सपेक्टेड किती आहे 0, येते किती 1. ही केस कन्सिडर होणार. नेक्स्ट 0, 1,
Yes, sir.
0, 1, 0.
No, sir.
Very good. Next 0 1 1.
त्याच्यात थोडंसंच मॉडिफिकेशन होतं ते केलं सर म्हणजे फॉर्मॅटिंग चेक केलं
No, sir.
हो हो
Very good. Next 1 0 0.
No.
हो हो घेतो घेतो
Very good. 1 or with 1 it is 0, right? Okay. Then it is 2. 1 0 1.
Yes, sir.
नाही उद्या सकाळीच हे करू की
Yeah. 1 0 1. For C stack at 0, this case we have to consider. It will come. 1 0 1. 1 1 0.
No. No, sir.
Very good. And all 1, it is also will not there. Very good.
No.
Very good. Means now you are getting the things. Okay. Now D. Where is D? This D. D. Okay. D stuck at 0. This D. Now this D is stuck at 0. First case. 0 0 0.
No.
Very good. Third. 0 0 1.
No.
Very good.
No, sir.
Very good. 0 1 0. Third.
No. No.
Very good. 0 1 1.
Yes, sir.
Very good. This case we will have to mark. Next 1 0 0.
No.
Very good. 1 0 1.
No.
Very good. 1 1 0.
No. No, sir.
And the last 1 1 1.
No.
Very good. Very good. That means only this. That means 0 1 1. Right? Yeah. 0 1 1 case will be there. Okay. Next, D stuck at 1. Now this pin is stuck at 1. Then first 0 0 0.
No.
Very good.
No.
Next 0 0 1.
No.
Very good.
No, sir.
Third, yeah, yeah. 0 1 0.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
very good. We have to consider this case. Let me just mark the things that we will not have confusion. Huh. Now the next 0 1 1.
No. No.
Very good. 1 0 0.
No.
1 0 1.
No. No, sir.
Very good. 1 1 0. बाकीचे पण बोला. From boys. No one is just responding. Didn't you got the things? 1 1 0.
फॉरवर्ड टेस्टचा पाहिजे
No.
Very good. And last, all 1?
No. No. No, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very good. This case will not also come. Now next. E stuck at 0. That means now this pin is stuck at 0. This pin is stuck at 0.
1.9
Okay? Huh. First
9
0 0 0.
No, sir.
Very good.
ते फॉरवर्डचं मिळेल
0 0 1.
No.
Very good. 0 1 0.
No. No, sir.
Very good. Next 0 1 1.
No. No.
Next, 100.
No.
Very good. 101.
No.
Very good. 110. 110. Yes, very good. This case we have to mark. 110 it is there. Last one, all one, 111.
No, sir.
Very good. So only this case will come. Now this E pin now it's stuck at 1, right? Now
Hmm.
tell the axis. E stuck at 1. Now check the things. First 000.
Yes. Yes.
Huh?
Very good. Next 001.
No, sir.
Very good. Next 010.
काय
010. You just check it. 010. You should mark 010. This case, yes, because why? बघा ना 10. ओके 10 इट्स 0 बट 101 आपल्याला मिळतंय किती 010 ला 0 पण इथे मिळतंय किती फॉल्ट इंट्रोड्यूस केल्यानंतर 1 दॅट्स द केस नेक्स्ट 011
No, sir.
check it out 011 इकडे 1 1 so you will get 1 and 1 XOR 1 you will get 0 but what you are expecting 1 so this case also will this case will also we have to consider next 100 check out 100 बघा 100 बघा ना नेक्स्ट केस 100 is stuck at 1 yes we have to consider this case also next 101 101 येणार का बघा someone answer 100 सॉरी 101 येणार का बघ चेक करा am I audible
पाठव
Yes, sir.
हाँ सांगा उत्तर द्या झटझट चला अगेन वी हैव टू गो फॉर 4 मोर केसेस 101 This case also we have to mark. Okay, 1 0 0. Next, 1 1 0. This case also we have to consider. Right? Last, 1 1 1 1 1. This case also we have to consider. Right? That means except this second case, we have to consider, right, every case. Okay? This 0 0 0 0 0 1 will not come here. Right? So, except this case, you have to consider all. Okay? Now, this is over. Now, assume this G, right? This G is stuck at 0. Proceed. G is stuck at 0 now. First case, 0 0 0.
No, sir.
Very good. Next case, 0 0 1.
No.
Very good. 0 1 0. Zero 1 0. Yes or no? Come on, fast. 0 1 0.
No.
Very good. Next, 0 1 1. This case, 0 1 1.
Yes.
Very good. We have to consider.
Yes, sir.
We have to consider this case. Right. Next, 1 0 0.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next, 1 0 1. No, 1 0 1 will not come here. Next, 1 1 0. No, this also will not come here. And the last 1 1 1. No, this also will not. That means for G stuck at 0, these two cases will come. Okay. Now next, now assume this G is stuck at 1. Now G is stuck at 1. Now tell the things. First
Yes.
case, 0 0. Yeah, first case will come here. Second case, 0 0 1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have to consider 0 0 1 also. We have to mark. Third, 0 1 0. Third case also we have to consider. Next, 0 1 1.
No.
No or yes? 0 1 1. See, 0 1 0 and 0 1 here will be 1.
Yes,
But
sir.
what is expected? Sorry, 0 1 1, right? So 0 1 it will be 0, 0 1 it will be 1. No, yeah, correct. That's correct.
No.
0 1 1 we will not have to consider. Next, 1 0 0. So 1 0 0. So 1 0 it will be 0, 0 1 it will be 1. What is expected? 0. So yes, this case we have to consider. 1 0 0 it will come. Next, 1 0 1. 1 0 1. So 1 0 will be 0, 0 1 will be 1. So what is expected? 0. 0 1 0 1 will be, we have to consider. next 1 1 0. So 1 1 it will be 1, 1 1 it will be 0, and what is expected? 1. This case also we have to consider. 1 1 0 also we have to consider. And the last 1 1 1. So here 1 1 it will be 1, 1 or 1 it will be 0. Expected is 1. So last case also we have to consider. Okay. Now this is about the G. Now what about F? This F is stuck at 0. So जिथे आउटपुट 0 आहे तिथे ते येणार नाही, जिथे आउटपुट 1 आहे त्याच केसेसला ते फक्त येईल F stuck at 0. That means for this case 0 1 1 we have to mark this. Then for this 1 0 1 we have to mark this, and the last one is 111. Similarly, F stuck at 1, that means this final output itself is a stuck at 1. So wherever it is 0, for that case only it will come. So this one, this one, this one, then yeah, these two cases, this one and this, right? Last two cases it will not come because output is already 1, expected is also 1, and we are getting 1 answer. So this is your final table. Now the actual job starts. Now you have to identify the test vector, right? कारण आपण 8च्या 8 तर नाही कन्सिडर करू शकत, बरोबर आहे. मग आता ह्या 8 मध्ये तुम्हाला आता ऑप्टिमाइज करायचं की कुठले टेस्ट वेक्टर तुम्ही कन्सिडर करणार, बरोबर आहे. मग पहिले असे टेस्ट वेक्टर घ्यायचे की जे फक्त आणि फक्त एकच केस डिटेक्ट करतात. कळलं? फॉर एक्झाम्पल, now this fault is detected by this, that means anyhow we have to consider this vector, that is first one 1 1 0. Next, A stuck at 1, it is detected by only this fault, right? 1 0 1 0. So we have to consider that as 0 1 0. Next, B stuck at 0. This fault is detected by this fault, but we have already covered this fault. B stuck at 0 कशाने डिटेक्ट होतोय? 1 1 0 ऑलरेडी आपण तो घेतलेला आहे. आता नेक्स्ट बघायचं B stuck at 1, बरोबर आहे. तो या दोन वेक्टरने डिटेक्ट होतोय, कुठल्या? 1 0 0 आणि 1 0 1. मग आता ह्यातला परत मॅक्सिमम फॉल्ट डिटेक्ट करणारा कुठला वेक्टर आहे ते बघायचं. हा पहिला 1 0 0 तो घ्यायचा. Next, C stuck at 0. It is detected by 0 1 1. That is the only C stuck at 0 फक्त 0 1 1 ने डिटेक्ट होतोय, त्यामुळे तो कन्सिडर करावा लागणार. C stuck at 1. So it can be detected by this 1 0 1. So we have considered that vector 1 0 1. No. So we have to consider that 1 0 1. Okay. Now D stuck at 0. It is 0 1 1. So we have already considered that. Now D stuck at 1, 0 1 0. We have already covered that. E stuck at 0, 1 1 0. We have already covered that. E stuck at 1. So there are so many faults. So we will consider this 1 0 0. So we have already covered this. G stuck at 0. So we have either 0 1 1 or 1 0 0. So 1 0 0 आपण घेतलेला ऑलरेडी. रिपीट नाही करायचं, एवढे लक्षात ठेवा. ह्याच्यात रिपीट नाही झाला पाहिजे, फॉल्ट पण रिपीट नाही झाला पाहिजे आणि टेस्ट वेक्टर पण रिपीट नाही झाला पाहिजे. असे केस ऑप्टिमम सिलेक्ट करायचे. G stuck at 1, तो पण 1 0 1 ने होतो. F stuck at 1, it is also 1 0 1. F stuck at 0, it is detected by 0 1 0. So we have covered that. That means this is your 1 2 3 4 5. म्हणजे 8 आपण हे 5 वेक्टर सिलेक्ट केलेले आहेत अँड दिस इज युअर फायनल टेस्ट वेक्टर सेट. म्हणजे आता मग तुम्ही म्हणाल की सर हे प्रत्येक वेळी मॅन्युअली करायचं तर मग ह्याचा उपयोग काय, पण हे आपण ह्या डिझाईनसाठी कन्सिडर केले. आता कन्सिडर करा की हा एक आयसी आपल्याला बनवायचा आहे, राईट. हा आयसी आपल्याला बनवायचा आहे बल्क क्वांटिटीमध्ये. मग प्रत्येक वेळी आता तुम्ही हे असं करण्यापेक्षा एकदा ते मॅन्युअली सेट करायचं, बरोबर आहे. आणि ह्या आयसीला फक्त आता हे 5 टेस्ट वेक्टर दिले की तो पूर्ण आयसी चेक झाला. दिस इज द स्टॅकेट फॉल्ट, राईट. एक कॉम्बिनेशनल सर्किटचा आयसी आपल्याला बनवायचा आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल असं अज्युम करा की हा एक आयसी आहे, त्याच्यातलं हे सर्किट आहे, बरोबर आहे. त्या आयसीला आता हे तुम्ही 5 वेक्टर दिले की तो आयसी चेक होणार तुमचा. युअर जॉब इज ओव्हर. समजलंय सगळ्यांना? समजलं आहे का?
All of you understood how to proceed with the examples related to stacked fault?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we will stop here. In next lecture, we will try to cover one more example, or we will go with the next method, that is path sensitization. Okay, for the same combinational logic design. Okay, if you have any query related to whatever we have discussed that example in today's session, you can ask.